How to shadow read. Listen to my voice. Read the text out loud with me at the exact same time. Try to copy my speed, rhythm, and tone. Don't worry if it's tricky. You can pause or replay the video as much as you want. Let's get started. Last Saturday morning, Sarah decided to go grocery shopping. Before leaving her apartment, she checked her fridge and wrote a detailed shopping list on her phone so she wouldn't forget anything important. When she arrived at her local supermarket, she grabbed a shopping cart near the entrance. The store was quite busy, but Sarah moved quickly towards the produce section. She picked up a bag of fresh apples, a bunch of bananas, and a couple of ripe tomatoes. Next, she walked down the bakery aisle, where the smell of freshly baked bread was incredible. She selected a warm loaf of bread and added it to her cart. After that, she headed to the dairy section for a carton of eggs, a bottle of milk, and a block of cheese. Sarah then searched the middle aisles for pasta and canned goods. She carefully checked the price tag on each item to see if there were any good discounts. Luckily, her favorite pasta was on sale. Before heading to the front, she stopped by the frozen food section to grab a bag of frozen vegetables for quick dinners during the week. Finally, Sarah joined the queue at the checkout counter. When it was her turn, the cashier scanned all her items one by one. Sarah paid for her groceries using her credit card, packed everything into her reusable shopping bags, and collected her receipt.